In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change bank account on eBay. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add and manage various different payment methods attributed to your eBay account. I recommend doing this process on the website, so through a web browser on your computer or your phone, go to ebay.com, although you can also use the mobile app. So all that you have to do is sign into your account, and then on the top of the screen, go over to My eBay. You will be redirected to this page, and from Activity, switch over to Account. Under Account, you will be able to select Payments under the Payment Method category, and now you will find all of the options related to adding cards and accounts. Now, something that I need to make very clear, most people, including myself, when they click on Add Cards and Accounts, will be able to choose between Checkout or Auctions and Offers, but when you click any of these, they will only give you three main options usually, so credit or debit card, PayPal, and Venmo. As you can see, clearly there is no option to add a bank account. So basically, for you to have access to the add bank account option, what you have to do is list an item on eBay. So you will have to go over to sell and just list a random item. By doing this, eBay is going to detect that you don't have a means of receiving the payment from whoever buys your item or auction. Of course, you don't have to go through with this, you just need to start the process of actually listing the item, and once this is done, you will then be able to choose the option to add the bank account. Once it is added, you can cancel your eBay listing just to be sure that you were able to actually add the bank account. So just go through this process. You should do this calmly. I'm only rushing through because this is supposed to be a very quick video demonstrating how to do this. But after you are done including the item and putting it here, you will get the prompt to actually get the bank account added. And only after that is done, you will be able to find and manage it here under Checkout or Auctions and Offers. I hope I was able to help you on how to change bank account on eBay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.